Hey guys, this is Calico Critter World here today, and today we're going to be opening the garden for Calico Critters. And in Japan, they call it the Emery Garden, so that's what they call it in Japan. I don't really know the exact name, and sorry about the crack. My little sister got a hold of it, and it kind of cracked. But nothing inside got affected by it, so let's open it up. But also, here it shows everything it comes with, like little flowers with blue, little bushes with blue flowers and pink flowers, so that's really cute. If you guys want to get a closer look at it, you guys can look. Okay, so let's open this up. It's really cute, so I can't wait to open this. I really want to open this super badly. So let's get this out. It's kind of hard to get out. Maybe I could just slide it out. Yeah, I think I got it out. Okay, here's the whole set. Now I think you just get this out. Okay. Take this out. How about that? I think I could just pull this out. That. Okay, I think I'm gonna get it out. Okay. Here's the bushes with the blue flowers like I showed you on the box here. It has a little shovel. I don't know what this is. Maybe you guys could tell me in the comments if you know. And I do not know what that is. Here's a watering can. There's 2 bushes with pink flowers and 2 bushes with blue flowers. So that's really cute. Don't know exactly how to open this up. Oh, I think there's tape. Okay, maybe I can get that out. Yep. See. Here's a watering can. It's a bright yellow. Really cute. Maybe I could just slide these out. Okay, here's the 2 blue bushes. Flowers. And 2 pink flower bushes. So these are very cute. I love them. And here are the little tools for gardening. Right here. And the watering can like I showed you earlier. Anything on the bottom, I need to get this out. I think there's tape to hold it down. I don't know if it is, so. Oh, I think I got it. Here's some of the flowers. Oh, wait, one fell out. And if you want to take a closer look, there's little holes that you can just put the flowers in. You can put them in any order you want. It's really cute. So, see if I could get everything out. Okay, I think I got it. Here's this little tree. It's adorable. It's just planted in the dirt like that. And then a little bench. Cute, so like when they're gardening they could sit on it. And then some little fence, I think. Yeah, 4 sets of fences. You could put it in a line like that. And you can also hang these little pots, I think, on here. And this is cute. I think it's a mailbox. There's a little hole you could put the mail in, and then you get it out on this end. It's cute. Let's put these on. I'll put one here, and one here. Here. There's a little pot holding flowers with the white flowers, and I don't know, maybe a mountain here or hills, but that's really cute. I like this one. It's a little fuzzy. So if you guys get it, this is going to be super fuzzy. I really like it because it's like a bunny on a pot. It's cute. And then here's some sunflowers. There's 2 orange ones right here if you guys want to get a closer look at it. And then 2 yellow sunflowers. I think they're sunflowers. If they're not, you guys could leave a comment below. Tell me what they are. So I'll just put these here. This is really cute. Now bushes here. You could put it any order you like. So like you could water. That's really, really, really cute. So if you guys want a closer look at the friends, this is how they all look. And this is how the bush looks. And I don't think you could take this out. And I wouldn't want to take it out right now. So here's some little flowers on it. I think they're little roses. That's really cute. It's on a little pot. So you get 2 of these. Get 2 of these. And these ones, I think this one's yellow. Yeah, this one's yellow and this one's reddish, I think. So they're pretty much the same, just different color. That's really cute. I wasn't expecting that. Let's put them on here. So that's the garden. If you guys want to get a closer look at the flowers, here's these little roses right here. There's 1 pink one, 2 little red ones, and a white one. And then there's the same here. So a total of the colors, 2 pinks, 4 red ones, and 2 white ones. That's really cute. You could put them in any order you like.
I think these might be able to go in there too. You might have to check.
That?
Looks like they could go in there too.
That's cute. So you can put whatever order you like of these little plants. Like you can have your critter garden. So that is the Calico Critter Garden. You can put it in any order you like. And don't forget, when we hit 10 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. So please subscribe and leave a comment below. And don't forget the giveaway. So if you guys subscribe, you might get one of the toys we're going to give away of Calico Critters. Bye!